How to delete Instagram account on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram, so go ahead and tap on the account center option you see there, and further under account settings you will see the option for personal details. Tap on that and then tap on the account ownership and control option. Further, tap on the deactivation or deletion option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be asked to select the radio button. So tap on the delete account radio button you see there and then tap on the continue button. Further, go ahead and select any of the reason for why you are deleting your account and then tap on the continue button again. Now, before deleting, you will be required to see if you want to download your information or transfer a copy of your information, or if you just want to deactivate your account. So select on the respective option if necessary and then tap on the continue button. Finally, you will be asked to enter your account's password. So go ahead and enter your account's password and tap on the continue button you see there, and with this, your account will be processed for deletion. So this is how you can delete Instagram account on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.